Hey garden dreamers, welcome. It's part 3 of my bell pepper journey. All 5 of them are doing really well. 2 of them already have flowers, so I'm super excited. I'm going to be planting them in this bed. I grew 2 of them last year in the same style bed over here on my right side. So this year I'm going to put 4 of them, and I actually have 5, but I don't know where I'm going to plant the other one. We'll see where I make space. Anyway, I failed to take a lot of video of the process of it growing indoors, but I'll show you a couple pictures. It was just some grow lights, gave them water. That's basically it. Waited for them to grow this big. I hadn't planted them out in the garden. It's April. It's the day after Easter. It's April 21st, I think. And last year I planted them, I think at the beginning of April. But this year we kept getting cold. Just as you saw right now, I had it in a little greenhouse. I put the plastic over it because we got down to 40 degrees. But they're still doing really well. I was taking them outside the last maybe 10 days. I've been bringing them outside for an hour, and then I would take it back inside. And then the next day I would bring it out for about 2 hours, and then I'd take it back inside. And I did that for about 4 days, maybe 5. And then the last 5, I just had them out here in that greenhouse. There's a bird distracting me. Anyway, so today I'm just gonna put them in here, and that's it. That's part 3 of growing bell peppers. This one was super successful for me last year, and I love bell peppers, and they're super expensive at the store, so now I love growing them. It seems pretty hard, but like the process of growing them indoors, but it's not that bad. Anyway, let's get to planting them. Okay, let's see. Let's do the lilac over here. Ozark we'll put over there. California Wonder in the front, and Canary over here. Etudia. I'm gonna have to find a spot for you. I don't have labels right now. I need to get some because I'm going to forget what's what until they actually grow, because they're different colors. Ooh, look at those roots. So pretty. So I'm just going to separate the roots just a little bit. Try not to break them. And I think I'm just gonna leave. Oh my gosh, I should label them. Anyway, lilac is gonna be purple. Last year I didn't know what was what until, oh, you know what? Ah! I still need one more drip line, and I moved one of them, this one. I moved it a bit so it could water my rosemary. But let me straighten it because it's supposed to be like this actually. That way I know where to put this bell pepper where it's not in the way. There's one line right here, and then this one goes here, and then I need another one in the middle, but I don't have the end cap. My husband's gonna have to put that for me. I hope it doesn't disturb my plants. Okay, anyway, lilac is gonna be purple, and I was saying that last year I lost track of what bell peppers I put because I didn't label them. But then I kind of figured it out because one's yellow, one's lilac is purple, canary is yellow, California Wonder I don't think made it for me. I think it died. Ozark was red, and then Etudia, you know what? I don't even know. I don't remember. I gotta look it up. Anyway, I just dig a hole. And ta-da! Not that complicated. I don't know if you guys saw the video of how I prepared this bed, I'll go ahead and link it. But I added some of my own compost here at the bottom. So hopefully that'll feed the bell pepper. Oh, you know what I'm forgetting? My eggs. I crushed eggs. Let me go get that. Okay, I got my stuff. Y'all, I have to watch my own videos sometimes to remember what I did. Okay, I put eggshells. I just save eggshells and then I blend them, make them kind of into like a powder. And I'm gonna put it under the plant. And also this Rev organic growth stimulant. I added this last year too. It's I put about maybe 2 tablespoons in a gallon of water, and I add that as well, just so you know what it is I do. Okay, so just add some of that. Add some of this to the bottom, a little bit, wet it. Add my pot, wet that a bit. And cover that back up. Okay. That's lilac. I'm gonna leave this here for now so I know what the heck I planted. And let's do the other ones. Let's see, canary. Canary here. I'm gonna say this out loud so I remember what I'm putting. California Wonder and Ozark. These corners. I planted, really messed it up. I planted basil here and thyme seeds here. Basil and thyme over here. Hopefully they grow. Anyway, those are good companion plants for bell peppers. And these are in between. This is the line, the drip line. And this is another drip line, so I'm putting it in the middle. Some eggshells and some liquid Rev. And my canary. This one already had a little bell flower right there. And it has 2 more coming out. Squeeze to loosen it up. Hopple it over. Look at those beautiful roots. So pretty. And just plop it in there. I don't think I made the hole big enough. Let's see. Okay. And I'm going to be going out of town, so I hope that these survive me leaving. And while I plant these other ones, let me tell you a little bit of the benefits from eating bell peppers, such as the red and green bell peppers are rich in vitamin C and beta carotene, and the yellow and orange bell peppers are excellent source of vitamin A and beta carotene. Yay, I planted them! I always stress out. Gardening is supposed to be, zen, but it's also very stressful. But once you like get things going and then you see your fruits, vegetables, it's so exciting and so worth it, and I love it. Anyway, I will show you what they look like in about 2 weeks. We'll see. It's 3 weeks later now. Actually, like 2 days shy of 3 weeks later, I went on vacation and my plants survived. The bell peppers survived. My watering system works, so yay for that. I added these tomato cages because they're not really good for tomatoes. But last year I used them on my bell peppers and they did really well, so I'm using them again. I already put them. They don't need them yet, but I already put them. And I got labels. Yay! I won't get lost this year as to what kind of bell peppers I'm growing. So that's exciting. I did fill this with some of my compost, and in my compost, I know there was some pumpkins in there. So now I think I have like 3 pumpkins growing. That's what it looks like. It looks like pumpkin seeds. Maybe it's zucchini, I'm not too sure, but it looks like pumpkins. I'm gonna have to remove them because you shouldn't grow pumpkins with bell peppers. So I'm letting them grow for now, but I'm gonna relocate them. Not too sure where. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope I helped you guys out. Shoot me a comment below if you have any words of wisdom for me. If you're from El Paso, I love to hear from you guys. I love when I get subscribers from El Paso because y'all know how hard it is to garden here. Y'all feel my pain. So anyway, thanks for watching and see you later. Oh, this is part 3 of the videos. So if you want to watch part 1 and 2, I'll link them below. And maybe I'll try to do a compilation of all 3 videos so you don't have to jump around and you could just go to one video from like seed to harvest. So I'll try to do that. Anyway, again, thanks for watching. Shoot me a comment and see you later.